In this question, two thin converging lenses of focal length f1 and f2 sharing the same optical axis are some distance apart. This lens system is used to form image of an object. If it's found that size of image doesn't depend on the distance between the first lens and the object, we have to find the distance d between the lenses. This is a pretty straightforward question. We have two converging lenses f1 and f2, and let's say they are at a distance d apart. Now it said if there is an object at some distance, let's say x from lens 1, it will form an image somewhere like this. Then again it will reflect, and this will be the final image. So in this question it is given the height of the final image is independent of this distance x, the distance of object from the lens 1. Let's assume this as v1. So this distance will be d minus v1. So we know magnification net will be magnification in first case into magnification in second case, which will give us magnification for lenses. We know magnification is equal to V divided by U. So we will have V1 divided by minus X into, let's say this distance is VF. So we will have VF divided by minus of D minus V1. So this is our magnification. Let's simplify it. So magnification is nothing but V1 by X into Vf by D minus V1. So we just have to prove that this thing is constant. Now writing the equation for the first lens, we will have 1 by V1 minus 1 by minus X is equal to 1 by F1, which will give us V1 is equal to X F1 divided by X minus F1. For the second lens, we will have 1 by Vf minus 1 by minus of D minus V1 is equal to 1 by F2. So Vf would be D minus V1 into F2 divided by D minus V1 minus F2. So now looking at the equation of magnification, it is V1 by X into Vf by D minus V1. So from this one, V1 by X is nothing but V1 by X would be F1 divided by X minus F1. And from here, Vf divided by D minus V1 is nothing but F2 divided by D minus V1 minus F2. So magnification is equal to F1 divided by X minus F1 into F2 divided by D minus V1 minus F2, and this thing should be constant. Now F1 and F2 are constant, that means X minus F1 into D minus V1 minus F2, this should be some constant. Now substituting the value of V1 from here in this part, so we will have X minus F1 into D minus V1. So V1 is nothing but X F1 divided by X minus F1 minus F2. This thing should be constant. Taking the LCM as X minus F1, so it will get cancelled from here. We will have dx minus df1 minus x f1 minus x f2 plus f1 f2 is equal to constant. Now if you see, this term is constant and df1 is also constant. So what we are left with is, if we take x, then d minus f1 minus f2, this should be equal to constant. That means d minus f1 and f2 should be 0. So we can write d minus f1 minus f2 should be 0. Then we won't have the term of x. So that means D should be equal to f1 plus f2. That is, the distance between the lenses has to be f1 plus f2. So this is our final answer.